the KX News Storm Team.
I thought I'd show you what it looks like in Bismarck from the KX cam there at our studios. The sky is clearing out, and as the wind drops off tonight, the temperature will start falling, and it may fall into the upper 30s for the overnight low. So it does look to be a chilly night ahead of us. In Bismarck right now, 54. The west-southwest wind is only 8 miles an hour, and officially we still have the wind advisory going. At least it was when I checked a couple of minutes ago. We're not at advisory criteria anymore, so I would assume that it's going to be allowed to expire. In Minot, still a little more cloudy, but it's not raining, more than a raindrop here or there, but it's still fairly cloudy in the north. The temperature is 50 degrees, winds out of the west-southwest at 21 miles an hour. So here are a few other temperatures. So we've got 40s and some low 50s across western North Dakota, a bit of a westerly breeze right there. And the wind is roughly 10 to 20 miles an hour, so not all that strong right now. And here's the radar. And so most of the rain is now north of Highway 2, up towards the international border and up into Canada. Much of western southern North Dakota already clearing out a little bit. So I want to show you the radar estimated rainfall, and this is just, when I show you the numbers here, it's just that one spot. And so a mile either side could have a dramatically different total here, but you can see the legend up here and kind of get some colors and see how much, heavy rain fell, and the yellows 2 to 3. So you get a pretty good idea where the heaviest rain fell. And looking up in the north right now, and I didn't check this one, that was been here since 5 o'clock, that showed up since 5, but not in Mohall, but very close to Mohall, 4 inches. And looks like maybe close to Lansford, nearly 4 inches there. Botno just under an inch, and you can see some pretty big numbers with a lot of these places getting over an inch of rain. And right there, Velva, nearly 2 inches of rain as we head towards the south central. And the spot I picked was actually northwest Bismarck at 1 inch, but maybe the whole city didn't get that much from what I can tell. And it looks like center, you can see some heavy rain to the north of center, and to the south of Washburn, over 3 inches of rain. At Glen Ellen, 1.2. Let's see, around Flasher, it looks like just about a ½ inch. So some very, very heavy rain still. And you can look over here towards Wishick and Ashley over an inch of rain. And that's today. And there were storms on Saturday where there was more rain. So now there's the soil temperatures, the deep soil, or 4 inches anyway. And when I looked at this, nearly every temperature dropped between 4 and 7 degrees, except the one at Denhoff, which showed it went up a degree, which is a little baffling, but that's what it showed. But a big drop with the rain on Saturday and what we've got going. So next 72 hours for Dickinson. Chance of rain on Wednesday, but a much better chance on Thursday. And same thing in Williston, the odds are a little bit higher. I don't think we're looking at severe weather in far western North Dakota on Thursday. Tonight should be in the 30s to maybe around 40 degrees, and the temperatures tomorrow will be in the 60s. So that is a nice little warm up. Here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day outlook, and I love those temperatures getting back into the 60s and 70s, but you can see Wednesday, Thursday, even Friday, chances of showers and thunderstorms. And on Thursday, that's a day that we're all in the storm team keeping a close eye on, because that could be a day we might be dealing with some big storms.
Okay, something to follow once again, but we know you have us covered.
Will be it.
Thanks.
Yep.